Today, I'm going to share with you why your manifestation is not working for you and how to make it work for you. The biggest problem is that you think that you need to make manifestation work for you. That's the biggest mistake that you're doing in your life. The truth is, you don't have to make manifestation, the law of attraction work for you. It's always working, my dear. And let me share with you with a simple proof that the law of attraction and manifestation is always working for you. And here's the proof.
Action.
All you need to do is to take your remote and leave it. What happened? It fell down, right? It wasn't flying or it didn't get stuck somewhere in the middle? Yes or no? What is this called? This is the law of gravity, which is a universal law, and you learned this when you were in school, isn't it? The same way, the law of attraction and manifestation is a universal law. You don't have to believe in it. You don't have to pray that I hope it works. You don't have to believe, oh my God, the dear universe, please send me money, please send me cars, and please send me the house. You don't have to pray and believe. You believe it or not, it always works. So now let me share with you why the law of attraction and manifestation is not working for you. You think that you need to ask for that car and you will get it in the future and then you will be happy. You will buy that dream house of yours and you will live there and then you'll be happy. You think that you will get married to the favorite person of yours and then you'll be happy because all the time you're just waiting for something to happen in the future. One day that will happen and then you'll be happy. No one has told you that manifestation is a two-way process between the present and the future. So instead of waiting that one day this will happen to you, one day you will buy that, one day you will do this, one day you'll travel there, and then you'll be happy. And that's a very wrong form of manifestation. If you want to get what you want in your life, then you need to be happy right now in this very moment. You need to see yourself coming from the future, who's already into existence, who's already having it all, and feel it in the present moment. And that is where your manifestation will take place. For example, the Burj Khalifa was built on a completely empty desert, which everyone thought it's going to be impossible. But what made it possible by the king and the people around them was even before they laid the first brick. So the first thing they did is they believed in it even before they laid the first brick. They visioned it in the coming future. And this vision of theirs brought this dream into reality. So all you need to do is you need to visualize your future self who's coming from the future in the present moment. And you will see how the universe will make your dream a reality in the present moment. And here is what you need to do every day of your life, like a lifestyle. That means just like you get up and you brush your teeth every single day, same way you need to make this your daily lifestyle to manifest whatever you want in your life. So here is a very simple technique that I'm going to share with you right now. All you need to do is to sit in a very relaxed and a calm place and visualize your future self, how you want to be, what you want to create, what you want to buy, where you want to go. Just do this every day for just 1 minute every single day, and you will see how the universe will manifest for you effortlessly, whether you believe it or no. It's going to be your new reality. If you liked what I spoke about today, please share this video to someone who doesn't believe in manifestation. Share this also to someone who wants to make their dreams come true effortlessly without using heavy techniques. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like my video, don't forget to share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can get more manifestation tips which are easily and effortlessly to make your dreams into reality.